What up guys? So in today's video I'm gonna show you how to correctly perform a clean and press. So yesterday I showed you how to perform a power clean. Now I'm gonna show you how to perform a clean and press. Now this is the same, not a typical bodybuilding type movement. It's more of an explosive speed and power move. You know, it works a lot. It works the shoulders tremendously because you're pressing the weight up. So it's kind of similar to the power clean, but it has an added movement of pressing up the weight. So let's not waste time, let's get into it. So starting position, the same, feet shoulder width apart, maybe a little wider, the same as with the deadlift. You know, go down, imagine you're sitting in a chair, so you have your back straight, no arch. Grab the bar, squeeze, inhale, squeeze your core, inhale, squeeze your core, go up, explode up like the power clean. And in that same small momentum that you clean the weight up, you're still not fully extended with your legs. You see, I'm still a little bent in my knees, and with that last momentum I press the weight up. Now I know it sounds a little bit complicated, but that's why you have this slow motion video with me talking, you know, because I think it's a lot better if you see it. And you see, with the same momentum as I go clean the weight up, I still have a little bit space with my legs to fully extend. And with that last explosive momentum, I press the weight up. So now I'm gonna show you from a side angle. You know, get the bar ready, feet into position, shoulder width apart, maybe a little wider. It depends on your flexibility and your preference. You know, the same as with the deadlift. Go down, imagine you're sitting in a chair. You know, just squat down in a straight fashion, grab the bar, see, bam, explode up, and at the same time press it. You see, there's not a lot of time under tension. That's why this is more of an explosive movement. You see, no arch in my back, straight. The bar goes in a straight line from the floor up till when I press it. You just gotta practice this move a little bit. Use lighter weight the first time you do it. Practice it, and after a few sets, maybe after a day or two, you're gonna get it. You're gonna get used to the movement. You know, it's practically the same as a power clean. Just do a power clean and then explode up to press. Bam. See? Extend all the way, go down slowly, and explode back down. That's how you do a clean and press correctly. Again, inhale, squeeze your core, explode up, and press up. See? Now this is a pretty great exercise for speed and explosiveness, and that's it. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and definitely subscribe.